Blessings of Unity. Dedicated to my great-great-grandmother who passed this story down, and to those who pass fables down to future generations. There was once a pair of sparrows, an enamored cock and hen. They lived very peacefully in their tiny little glen. The hen brought a lentil, the cock a grain of rice. They used this to make porridge that they ate every night. They lived like this until one day, the peace was interrupted. The cock came to a bad conclusion that proved to be destructive. He thought that since his rice was bigger, he deserved more food. The hen heard this and was distraught. He had caused a major feud. The day after this argument, the hen ate only lentils. The stubborn cock just ate his rice. This was clearly detrimental. Desperate and sad, they visited a sage that happened to be a cat. In their rage, the birds forgot a very important fact. The two birds faced a tragic fate that could have been prevented. If only they had kept their balance, they would have stayed contented.